Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and the video you all have been waiting for is the house slash cabin tour. This is a Airbnb and it's in Moselle. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm just gonna show you guys the house. Well, hello guys, welcome to MTV Cribs. So right now we have the sitting area. Grandmother and Miss Williams, they're watching the basketball game in the Final Four. So if you go this way, you have your beautiful sitting area. You have a lamp, you have a couch. Then you come around some more. Then you have your beautiful kitchen area. And as you can see, our counter is full of food because we're eating barbecue today. So we have your games, you have your Jolly Ranchers, your ramen noodles, and so on and so on. You have your refrigerators, microwave, and so if you come this way, we have a bedroom right here. Sneak peek. So this has 6 bedrooms and 3 baths. This right here is the closet where all our sheets are. This right here is the bathroom. Yes, we have your Jack and Jill. This is our shower. You know, you have the beautiful marble tile, shower. Your toilet, in case you gotta get your insides out. But that is bathroom 1. You also have your third room. It is clean, so I'm gonna walk in here. And this is considered the master bedroom because it's the only room that has a TV. It has its own bathroom and its own closet. And look, if you wanna go out, get up early in the morning, outside the bed, all you have to do is open the thing and you're on your way to enjoy the nice serene. So this happens to be the 3rd bedroom, washer and dryer. There is a cabinet if you want to put some food in there. But as you just saw, we have all our food on the counter. So come down this hallway. So come down this hall, and we have a beautiful reference map of Mississippi, This is our 3rd bathroom. It has a toilet and blah, blah, blah. And, I'm really rich, so I can afford all of this. YouTube checks. Just kidding. But this is like a little man cave area. You have your TV, you have your couch, your desk if you want to come sit in the library. There's also a bar. There's also a bar, so you come up to my house one day and you say, yes, fix me a margarita or something, all I gotta do is come get my fridge, get my stuff, got a blend up in the cabinet, put the salt on it. But there's also another exit to go outside, another way you can come outside and enjoy the outdoors. We have a hammock, that beautiful lake right there. You could also bring like a water boat. You want to water ski, whatever you all call it. You could do that. You can go fishing. My cousin Nick is doing that right now. You can lay down and bask in the sun if you wanted to. But come on, guys. But we also have a loft, and it's just 3 more bedrooms, so that's where I'm going to take you guys now. If the lighting is terrible, I'm sorry. It's all about the solar energy. We have a queen bed, I believe it is, and we have 2 twin beds. This right here is my little setup, and this happens to be the loft I just showed you all. I'm going to turn the light on for you guys. So this is there's Nick outside fishing, if you all can see that through the window. yeah, let's go outside and meet with him. You've already seen 2 entrances. We actually have like 4 entrances to go outside. So yeah guys, that's the inside of the house. And now we're going to show you the downstairs. So when you come down here, you know, you have your music. Hope I don't get copyrighted. Copywritten, whatever you want to call it. But you come down the stairs and just the entrance to get in here. And we have a fire pit. I'm going to show you guys how we get down here. But you come down, you have a bench right there where you can sit. There's another bathroom. There's another bathroom right here. It's very cold. I just went inside, but this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. You have a mini fridge, so if you want to take care of some business, you can get a sip while doing so. But this is the fire pit. We're probably going to sit out here tonight, or tomorrow night, and make s'mores. Probably have a little Easter egg hunt. But you know, this is, you know, you can sit down, put your marshmallows on the stick, and you know, have your kumbaya moments. So now we're going to cross over. And we're going to follow you this way. Okay, so now I'm in. This is our little hammock thing. I want to try to get in, but I'm probably going to fall. See what the thing going to break. So we're going to walk down here. I ain't been down here yet, but oh, it's just a dead end with water and stuff where you can go jump off. You've ever seen the Parent Trap and they were at camp and they went down and like jumped in the water and stuff. But this is an outside view of the house. So follow me. And you get to the other side. And the tour is almost over, you guys. I'm so sorry. But yes, we're back where we started. Our cars are here. You know, 2 inches, 3 inches ways basically. But we're not gonna end right now. Come on, we're gonna walk back up the stairs. Well, that's about it for this house tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Come on, Bill. Thank you for touring my house, you know, vacation home. Be sure to leave a thumbs up and comment and subscribe. Bye guys.